Shannon here, and today's video goes out to one of my fellow children's book illustrators, Leanne Franson. Now Leanne, I met her on Picture Book Artists Association, and she lives, sadly she lives in Canada. Oh, should I say that? It's cold up there. She lives in Canada. So Leanne kind of like dared me. I don't think she meant to dare me, but it kind of became a dare to eat a dill pickle peanut butter sandwich. Now, what Leanne doesn't know is I'm a vegetarian who's usually and happens to be on the Whole30, and peanut butter and bread are not on the Whole30, but for Leanne, I'm going to break it today and try a dill pickle peanut butter sandwich. Now, in honor of Leanne being in Canada, I have my Bubbie's pickles. They're Canadian. And I have my beam paints because they're Canadian, and I absolutely love all these. And so here we go. Now, so I bought these pickles. Let's give them a try. Gonna open this up. Fresh pickles. These are refrigerated pickles. I personally like these because they got natural probiotics. And then for the peanut butter, I went with one that's actually made in Boston. And so I have a little bit of Boston here. And then I bought bread, which I typically never eat bread, but I bought this fresh little loaf of bread. And so I really have no idea what to expect here. I know that I'm not, I really don't know what to expect, actually. I don't eat sandwiches. Like I said, I try not to eat bread. Let's see, I think we should go to the other side, huh? I should try to get like a big slice. I think I should go for the biggest slices for this. Put these ones back in here. Now, everybody should check out Leanne's art, and I will have a link at the bottom of my video so you can check out her website. So I got the bread, and let's see, we'll put on the peanut butter next. So I got this all natural, smooth, unsalted, plain peanut butter, just one ingredient, peanuts. I'm gonna put the peanut butter here, put it on smooth it on my bread. I probably should put plenty, right? Let's see. Don't want to be chintzy here, cheap with my peanut butter. Now, Leanne didn't give me any instructions here. Was I supposed to put peanut butter on both pieces of bread? I don't know. I guess that's up to whoever wants to eat this. Oh, let's check out the pickles. Oh, I should probably get a fork to pull out the pickle. Don't want to use my fingers. Oh boy. Oh man, look at this. If I can get this one out without spilling the juice. Oh. Okay, now I'm gonna have to, of course, I guess I could just put it in there. I could slice it. So I'm thinking I'm gonna slice it, because I could just put it in there and roll it up, but I think I'm gonna slice it, and so I'm gonna get let's see if we can videotape this slicing thing with my phone from a different angle. Well, I don't know if I can do that. Well, that's how it looks. Yeah, I need two hands, so I won't be able to hold this. But anyways, that's how it's looking. I'll add this into the video. And I'm going to slice this. Yes. Ooh, look at that. Dill slices and peanut butter. Oh boy, Leanne, let's see. I'm going to give an honest opinion of how I feel this tastes. I think I can do this now with, go like this. And here now I've sliced it and I'm going to put them on the bread. Over there. And here we go. I'll just eat those two. Okay, so I think I'm going to take this video outside so I can videotape myself eating this sandwich. Okay, let's see, babe, I'll be back. Okay, I'm outside, and yeah, one of the neighbors is making a racket with something out there, over there. So here's my lamb sandwich, pickles, peanut butter. On bread, I don't eat bread. I'm doing this as a sacrifice for you, Leanne. Okay. Well, it's crunchy. That's my first comment. It's crunchy. That's because I had fresh pickles. I should say I bought a fresh half loaf of sourdough bread, so at Wegmans. Yeah. I needed 2 bites, but I'm gonna eat this whole sandwich because guess what? Man, this is really, really good. It's awesome. That's my pickle peanut butter sandwich review. It's awesome. It was easy to make. I think you should try it. Thanks. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna eat all of it. It's real good. I'll have to make a second one.